Hi everyone, this is Devins Financial Weekly Stock Analysis Newsletter. Today is 2015 March 1st. Our newsletter is for your informational purpose only. We're not responsible for your gains or losses. Let's take a look at current market trend and our strategy. US stock market is in a confirmed uptrend. I'm currently hold a long position in Nasdaq ETFs, and I'm long some leading stocks, but I sold energy ETF last week. Let's take a look US market indices and their charts. First of all is the German DAX index. It broke out from this little consolidation and go up again. This is a very strong index right now. Shanghai Stock Exchange Index is back to the uptrend, is going above 50-day moving average. Nasdaq Composite Index monthly chart, this is a long-term chart, is heading toward the year 2000 high, and this is a very strong uptrend. Nasdaq daily chart, as you see, after it broke away from this little consolidation, it's in the uptrend. Friday it pulled back a little bit. However, the trend is still going up. Mid cap pull back and break below 10-day moving average. Small cap still in the uptrend but pull back on Friday. SP 500 large cap, and it's pulled back a little bit toward the 10-day moving average. Overall trend is still going up. Gold is in a downtrend. It rebounded a little bit in later last week, but the trend is going down. Silver also in a downtrend. Gold mining stock hit 50-day moving average and rebound. We have to see what's gonna do next, but the trend is not optimizing. It's just not very optimistic. It's not very optimistic the gold can go up. It looks like it can pull back. US dollar is in a uptrend still. Crude oil, this is a little bit troublesome. It keeps below 50-day moving average. It cannot stay above 50-day moving average. That's the reason why I sold energy ETFs. I want to see if crude oil can stay above 50-day moving average before I buy energy ETF again. Right now, I'm out of the energy sector. FXI, China ETF, uptrend. IYR, US real estate ETF, in a downtrend. Now it fall below 50-day moving average. JJC is a couple price. It's in a downtrend, but right now it's rebound above 50-day moving average. So it has a potential to reverse the trend. NBB is a real estate mortgage fund price. It goes above 50-day moving average. Rebound a little bit last week, so the mortgage rate came down a little bit. Semiconductor ETF SMH is in the uptrend. Social media ETF downtrend. Solar ETF overall trend is down. Well, wait a second. This trend has reversed. Solar ETF has reversed to the uptrend. USO is the oil price ETF. It's tied with the oil price. Right now it's below 50-day moving average. It's not good. XLE is energy ETF. This is a little bit better than the oil ETF. XLE is still above 50-day moving average. That's a good sign. XLF financial ETF is above 50-day moving average. Let's take a look at three lists of stocks. The first list is the stocks in the uptrend, but they're too extended to buy. They are way above the buy point, so it cannot be bought. But if you already bought them, you can continue to hold on to them. Second list are the stocks that broke out, but they're still in the buy range. They're still within 5% of breakout pivotal point. And third list are the stocks right now they're in trouble. So let's take a look at those charts of those lists. First list, stocks not in the buy range. They're too extended. They're in the uptrend. If you bought them, hold on. Biogen, this is a very strong uptrend. Middle buy, MIDD, this is an uptrend. Broke out here, $100, 74 cents. Service Now, this one broke out right here, $71. Friday is a distribution, so if this stock cannot hold 20-day moving average, which is a pink line here, $75, 78 cents. If it fall below this, I will get out, or at least it has to hold the 30-day moving average, which is $74.19. That's the last line to get out. NXP Semiconductor. This one is still good. Last broke out is right here. Right now it's still in the uptrend. Palo Alto Network. This one is in the uptrend. Hold on. Valiant Pharmaceutical. This is in a very strong uptrend. It gap up last week. The breakout point is right here, and have another breakout right here. So. Second list are the stocks that are still within the buy range. AYI, breakout point is right here. Right now it's still within the buy range. Tableau Software, breakout point is $89.95 right here. Facebook, breakout right here, $78.57. Right now it's within the buy point. GrabHat has a very strong breakout right here, and then breakout again right here. This is another breakout point. LinkedIn gap up. LinkedIn gap up. That's a gap up breakout pivotal point. Right now it's consolidating around the breakout point. Alta Salon recent breakout is $137.59. It's in the uptrend and still within buy point. Visa broke out right here, $268.93. That's a breakout pivotal point. Right now it's still within the buy point. Fourth list are the stocks in trouble. CAB, this one is in the downtrend. As you see, it has a several round of coming down. CMG gap down. Right now it's below 50-day moving average. This has a potential to drop down again. GoPro, very strong downtrend. Qihoo 360 downtrend. Restoration Hardware is coming down. Tesla is in the downtrend, as you see. So those are the stocks in trouble. What to do in current market? And I will move up the stop order for both the ETF and stocks. Market has a potential to go through the short-term correction after it has gone up a lot. So I would just usually get out of the way. So when the market doing its correction, I will hold cash. Once it finish correction, I will move back in again. But I don't know how when the market will trigger correction. I would just use a recent low or some kind of a technical analysis on the charts to decide the stop order. So I just put a stop order for the ETF and for the stock. So if the stop order gets triggered, I would just get out. That's all for this week. See you next week.